Welcome to EDUREPUBLIC. Dear students, we are going to analyze about the Tier 1 syllabus for SSC 2022. As you know that SSC 2022 notification have come. That is Ssc Cgl combined graduate level examination notification have come out. So the people who are applied for this examination or wants to apply for this examination having some doubts regarding this exam because there was a change in the examination syllabus as well as in the pattern. So there are lots of changes this time for Ssc Cgl examination. So here let us try to analyze the Tier 1 syllabus clearly in this session. Okay, following. So this is about Ssc Cgl 2022, that is Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level Examination 2022, and this session is regarding the syllabus analysis for Tier 1. Okay, following. The notification have come from SSC board and you can download the notification from edurepublic.in, www.edurepublic.in, and if you have any doubts regarding the application of the notification for the notification, okay, or regarding the coaching on online classes, you can just log in us, or else you can call on this number also 9032960352. Okay, the notification is from SSC, so apply on this website ssc.nic.in. Coming to the scheme of examination, you have two papers, so two types, that is two phases. One is Tier 1 and Tier 2. So two phases. The people who qualify for Tier 1, then only they will be allowed for Tier 2 paper. Okay, so Tier 2 examination. So qualifying Tier 1 is very necessary, and this Tier 1 have become a crucial point as critical now. Understand? Following. If you are not qualifying for Tier 1, you cannot give the Tier 2 and you cannot make your name in the successful list of Ssc Cgl. Following. So the people who want to crack this Ssc Cgl or crack a job within these 6 months, this is the best opportunity, my dear friends. So don't wait for, okay, following. So apply today itself from ssc.nic.in website and be prepared. Okay, following. So let us try to analyze the Tier 1 syllabus here. So coming to the scheme, before syllabus, try to understand about the examination pattern here. In this exam, we have 4 papers. There is nothing but 4 subjects. So we have 4 subjects. 4 subjects you have. Okay, following. So and you have 100 questions, total of 100 questions, 200 marks, 60 minutes of time, and 0.50 negative marking also, and this paper is for qualifying nature only. If this marks is not countable and there is no sectional cutoff, okay, in this don't worry about sectional cutoff like bank exams. Following, you can qualify, okay, following. So with any of the 2 subjects or 3 subjects, so out of this 100 questions and 200 marks, if you get 100 marks or 150 marks, okay, following, that is more than enough. 100 to 120, okay, is more than enough, but 150 is preferable because the more knowledge you gain for Tier 1, it is helpful for your Tier 2 also. So Tier 1 and Tier 2 preparation must go simultaneously here. Following. So total 25 questions for general intelligence and reasoning for this subject, and general awareness you have 25 questions, for quantitative aptitude also 25 questions, and English comprehension also 25 questions. So total you have 100 questions here. Okay, 100 questions you have, and maximum marks is for each subject is 50, nothing but into 2. Okay, following. So for into 2 for all. So likewise you have 200 marks. 200 marks. following, and the time is 1 hour. Time is 1 hour. Okay, following. So and negative marking is 0.50. 0.50. Okay, is the negative here. Following. Next, coming to the Tier 2 examination, about the scheme of Tier 2. Okay, following. So you have here you have 3 papers, and paper 1 is common for all. In paper 1 also you have 2 sessions, and each session has 3 sections. You have 2 sessions, session 1 and session 2. Okay, following. And in session 1 you have section 1, section 2, as well as section 3. 3 sections you have in the session 1, and in section 1 you have 2 modules, module 1 and module 2, that is mathematical abilities as well as reasoning and general intelligence in the section 1 paper. Okay, following. And it consists of 60 questions, that is 30 questions for each module, and marks allocated is 60 into 3, total 180 marks. So for this 1 hour is being allocated. Next, coming to the section 2, you have English as well as general awareness. English carries 45 questions and general awareness 25 questions. Total 3 questions for each question here. Okay, following. So therefore you have 70 questions. So 70 into 3, 210 marks. So 210 marks. So 1 hour for this session also. Next, section 3, you have computer module. Okay, following. Listen, computer module, you have 20 questions into 3, it is 60. So total you have 450 marks. Next, coming to the 450 marks for all the 3 sections. So 3 sections. So you can say that paper 1 is equal to 450 marks. 450 marks. Following. And in the session 2 you have 50 minutes paper, that is section 3, that is data entry and speed test module. This is on computer only. Following. So one data entry task will be given to you within 50 minutes. You need to type on the keyboard. Okay, computer keyboard you need to type, not on the type machine. It is on the computer keyboard only. You need to type whatever they give you. It may be an essay. Okay, it may be a letter. Okay, it may be something else. A draft will be given to you. You need to type it within just 15 minutes. Okay, following. Paper 3, paper 2 and paper 3 is for special category post. That is statistics for junior statistical officer, and okay, this general studies and finance and economics is for accounts and audit officers, assistant account officer, assistant audit officers. So this is not for everyone. Okay, people are having a separate educational preferences, for them only it is being given. Okay, following. So now again come to the Tier 1 here. Okay, so what we must prepare to qualify Tier 1? How many questions you must attempt? Okay, when all this we shall discuss here. Coming to the syllabus for Tier 1, okay, first of all it was general intelligence and reasoning. Okay, general intelligence and reasoning. So nothing but reasoning topics must be prepared by you. Following. So that is both verbal and non-verbal reasonings are included. The next also about problem solving. The next decision making. The next relationship concepts, arithmetical reasoning, figural qualifications. The next number series, coding, decoding, statements conclusion, syllogisms. The next analogy. The next number analogy. The next classification. The next numerical operations, Venn diagrams, folding and unfolding kind of questions. The next data, date and city matching kind of questions. The next Then next, letters and numbers coding. So these are the areas which you must concentration, okay, to get maximum marks. So out of 25, around 20 questions will be, okay, from these topics only which have marked in red. Okay, following so which have marked in the red. So 20 into 2, so you get 40 out of 50. Following, so 40 marks gaining in the general intelligence is very simple for SSC. Okay, following. Then next, coming to the general awareness topic. Coming to the general awareness. So general awareness means you have the general studies paper here. So general studies. So general studies means what? The subjects like history, Indian history, that is ancient history, medieval history, okay, following, and modern history. The next, polity, Indian constitution. The next, economics and economy. The next, geography, India and world. India and world geography. The next you have sciences here. Okay, science consists of physics, chemistry, biology, as well as science and technology. Then finally GK and current affairs. So these are the subjects generally which you prepare for. Okay, following. So here the syllabus is given for the international relations, India and the neighboring countries. So India and China, India and Pakistan, India and Nepal, India and Sri Lanka, India and Bangladesh, India and Afghanistan, India and Myanmar, such kind of neighboring countries, how India is maintaining the relationships. Apart from that, India is also member for various international organizations like SAARC, ASEAN, SCO. Recently you see SCO summit has been taken place. Okay, following. So at Kyrgyzstan, so such kind of questions will be asked in the examination. Okay, following. So likewise history, culture, geography, economics, general policy and scientific research. So these are the subjects which we prefer, okay, generally prepare for the SSC examinations. Following. So if you prepare well for this paper, you get 25 questions. Following, and out of this 25 you can easily do with what 20 questions here. Following, so 20 into 2, following. All right. So 20 questions you must target out of 25 here. Okay, following, so 25. Coming to the marks here, okay, following, so marks we gain around 40 out of 50 questions. 40 out of 50 questions can be gained in this paper also. Okay, but the syllabus is huge, my dear friends, for this paper. Why? Because history you prepare ancient history, medieval history, modern history, all the 3 phases of history will prepare. Okay, fine. It takes nearly 1.5 to 2 months to understand about history and prepare well seriously. But you get only 5 questions in history. Okay, fine. Each one like 5 questions. Polity 5 questions. And then economy 5 questions, including the current economy, etc., etc. Geography maybe 2 or 3 questions. Science maybe 4 questions. Current affairs maybe 2 questions. So maximum of 5 questions will be given here. Okay, following. So you must be very careful here for preparing this paper. Understand? Okay, coming to the quantitative aptitude, most of the students will be waiting for this paper itself. Okay, so most of the students will practice this paper only very much so that they can perfect in the examination. For the quantitative aptitude, you see most of the questions are from percentages, ratios, and proportions, square roots, averages, interest, that is simple interest and compound interest, profit and loss questions. Okay, apart from discount, the next partnership based questions, mixtures and allegations questions, the next time and distance, time and work. Okay, following. So data interpretation questions. Apart from this, mathematical questions like you see algebraic identities of school, algebra, elementary search, equations, that is linear equations, then triangle and its various kinds of centers, the next circles and chords, tangents, following. So next common tangents, etc., triangles and quadrilaterals, polygons, cylinders, sphere, pyramid. Okay, trigonometry questions. Also the data interpretation from arithmetic questions, etc. For this also you get around 25 questions. Okay, following. So out of these 25 questions, you must solve around 20 questions. So 40 marks you must gain in this paper also. Finally, it is English comprehension. So English is very common for various competitive examinations, but coming to the SSC, it is quite different in the examination syllabus itself. So in this question, you see, mostly the questions will be based on comprehension, mostly on the comprehension. The next, writing ability. Apart from this, you must understand about the synonyms and antonyms, then sentence formation, then puzzle test, then about correction of the sentences. These are enough. Okay, so identifying the synonyms, you will get around 2 questions. Okay, identifying the antonyms, 2 questions, then idioms and phrases, 2 questions, sentence corrections, around 4 questions. Following, as well as solving the comprehension passages, you will get around 10 questions. So likewise, you have 25 questions here in this paper also. You need to get 20 or 20 plus in this paper. If it is a scoring for you, okay, you must get around 40 out of 50. So total 40 for each paper. So total 4. So 160 is a very good figure out of 200 marks. Following, so 160. So if you solve around at least 15 questions also, 15 questions, so 15 4 are 60. So if you solve around 60 questions also, 60 questions in all the papers, 60 into 2, you will get 120 out of 200 marks. So 120 is also a very good number here. So out of 25 questions, so try to solve around 15 to 20 questions compulsory. Don't fear. Okay, fine. So we are with you. EDUREPUBLIC is with you. Okay, following. So therefore, in the paper 1, you have module wise, section wise, and session wise. So do not get confused here. Paper 1 is common for all, and the subjects will be at the matriculation level. Of course, it is not at the matriculation level. It will be graduation level and beyond graduation level itself. Okay, fine. So because the examination is Ssc Cgl, my dear friends, the one of the toughest exam after UPSC is Ssc Cgl. Okay, following. So therefore, all the papers will be in objective type only. Okay, following, in English language. Apart from that, Hindi is also there. Following, for the people who wants to give this exam in the Hindi. Okay, following. Negative marking is 0.50 for each wrong answer. Following. So coming to the tier 1. So coming to the tier 1 preparation tips. So tier 1 preparation must be started from day 1. Okay, from today. So prepare from today. Following. So that is day 1. Start your preparation from today itself. Understand? So what you should do here? So First of all, you must analyze the syllabus, understand the syllabus for Tier 1 and Tier 2. Okay, following. So syllabus analysis must be there. The next, prepare own notes. Prepare own notes. Okay, following. So prepare own notes. Just you must rely on your notes apart from the reference books. Gather all reference books. Okay, following. Next, practice, practice, practice. 3 mantras for success is practice, practice, practice. 3 mantras for success. So this is the what you do is 3 mantras for success is practice always, practice anytime. Okay, following. So all subjects must be given equal importance. All subjects. Okay, following. Equal weightage. Understand? Following. So likewise you must prepare as well as practice mock papers as well as previous papers also. Okay, following. The next, how EDUREPUBLIC helps you. EDUREPUBLIC helps you in providing the regular update about exam. The next, online classes. The next, practice test, which is unlimited. Also online classes, it is HD access, HD. Okay, following. So you have unlimited practice test, and you can view the web portal or else mobile app. Okay, following. So this is also unlimited, you can refer. Following. So easy access under guidance. Okay, following. So will be provided to you by EDUREPUBLIC. Following. So this is all about the syllabus analysis for Tier 1, and you can just visit our website www.edurepublic.in or call us on 90329 60352. Okay, following. So this is all about Tier 1 syllabus analysis. Wish you all the best. Thank you.